this on. Wait.
We have the same thing as this,
Okay.
but I can't find it.
Let's start drawing with this liquid eyeliner.
And
We're starting with this.
eyeliner the orange to match my costume, and on my butterfly one there's lights for the dog.
So orange.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Wow, you see that? And then what else? What's next?
There's gonna be white for the dog.
Okay.
Eyeliner, then you're gonna start the light.
Jaran! Wow. We'll do that on the other side too.
That.
Show, no, the other side.
Wow! Oh, say thank you.
Salamat po.
You're welcome. Ganyan pag walang anak at apo na babae.
Yeah.
This is your right side and we'll see the left side. Wow.
I'm gonna see.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
When I say I wish I had those, I say I really, really wish I like it.
You like it? Oh, you can have it. That's yours.
Thank you.
You're
And the
welcome.
curls I twist, not twisting.
Okay. You see your costume? Turn around. Wow. Fly.
Butterfly, fly, 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 butterfly.
Oh, with the butterfly in your face, ano? Oh, galing ah.
Look at the colors and then to match my dress.
Ooh, so pretty.
Thank you.
Super. He said,
What did you ask your dada?
Where's your iPad?
No, your pirate costume, you said?
Where's your pirate costume? No, you said your iPad.
I'm ready for trick-or-treaters. Oh, hali na kayo. Come and get your treats. Gusto nyo pa ng carrots. Thank you. Happy Halloween. We're gonna get mauled. Put it in the bag. Your bag. In your bag. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you. Here, there's more. Nice costume. Thank you. Okay.
What are you gonna say?
Trick or treat.
Halloween. Oh,
Happy
nice
Halloween.
costume. Wow. So nice.
Look at your Lola's hair.
Why?
Ikaw yung costume mo yan. Costume namin. Wait lang. Tayo si Mr. View.
What are you gonna say?
Trick or treat.
Happy Halloween! Oh, nice your
Halloween.
costume! Wow! So nice!
Look at
Happy
your Lola's
Halloween!
Why is your
Where's
hair
JC?
crazy?
Ah!
Why are you scared?
Nag-effort si Lolo mo, you're not scared? Nice, very nice costume ah. Wow! Happy Halloween!
Halloween.
Oh, you come. Get all the candy you want. Come here. Wow. This is, oh,
candy.
wow. Pick your choice. Oh. Get your candies. Wow. Hindi nyo kasama pala?
No, kasama namin. Drinap of kay Auntie.
Oh.
Tabi here
Ay, it will fall. It will fall. Ah! Dad,
Pipicture ako eh.
oo nga, puro candies yan. Wow. Kung anong nakuha niya. Kasi si Ace, wala man lang nakuha sa SM. Wow. Wow. You have so many.
Papahigain ko and then lalagay ko
Oo.
the candy.
Oh, get here. You see this, baby. Oh, huh? Wow.
Maximo.
You deserve that candies with your costume like that. Oh, that's push pops.
Baxi Boo!
Wow.
Baxi Boo! Uy! Baxi Boo!
Nice.
Baxi Boo! Baxi Boo!
Baxi Boo.
Basketball? Ooh.
Wow, very nice.
Why is your hair crazy?
For you. Wow.
Let's go to the room.
Oh, get more candies if you want.
Wala sila school bukas.
Saturday. Oh, it's a popcorn ball. Oh.
Come on, Mako.
There's so many candy in
Get
here.
your Baxi.
I'm just gonna put all around them to lay down on the floor.
Ooh.
Wow. Heavy? Yeah?
Yes.
Wow. Pictorial kayo.
Wait.
Oh.
This is so... Ow! It just got in my head. Ow!
Wow. All the candies that you got. Wow.
Can I take a picture?
Hey.
Hold on.
Good job. So much.
Mm.
How are you, Baxi Boo? Uy, good. Good job. Tapos na? I'll help your tatay.
Nako. Put some over here. Put some candy in there. Take off your
Gloves.
gloves so you can hold them. Mhm.
Oh,
I like to play.
there's so much.
Yeah.
Help your tatay.
Tomorrow. Help muna. Help.
Did JC get as much? Ha, baby?
Yes.
Wow. Dami naman yan. Makakain nyo ba yan? Fox you are? Freddy Krueger.
I'm Freddy Krueger.
Ah. You had fun, baby?
Yes.
You don't have. Yes. No, galing kay Blanca yan. Thanks, sis. Night light namin.